BPO skills na mas mahalaga ngayon, hindi lang basta English lang.
Here's something you need to hear right now. The most in-demand skills in BPO hiring. Hindi na lang basta English fluency or typing speed. And yes, kahit na tenured ka, this applies to you too. Listen up, because this can make or break your next interview. By the way, I'm from Orbitteleservices. We've seen thousands of applicants, both newbies and tenured. Alam namin kung ano ang real skills ang hinahanap ngayon sa hiring. Ang dami pa rin na stuck sa old mindset. Okay na ako, magaling na ako mag-English, at mabilis na ako mag-type, pasado na ako. But here's the common frustration. Maraming hindi pumapasa kahit na fluent at may BPO experience pa. Here's why. The top skills now is problem solving and adaptability. And yes, mas priority na ngayon sa interview lalo na sa tech support, complex customer service, or kahit na sales account. Start practicing situational questions before your interview. Some recruiters look for clear thinking under pressure, solution-focused mindset, patience, and flexibility. This matter more than a perfect grammar. If you want to be ready for your next BPO interview, whether first-timer ka or tenured agent switching account, remember this skill. And if you're looking for opportunity where you can grow these skills, Orbitteleservices is here to support you. Ikaw, ready ka na ba sa problem-solving part ng interview? Comment below.